fasting beast. So I'm making this video to talk about my last video I make about I don't hate fat people, I hate the habits. And then I just want to say that I used to be fat, and I know what it takes. So at the end of the day, I'm not trying to hurt anybody's feelings or nothing. I respect everybody's opinion. So and then my purpose is to talk to those people that are fat to get in shape. I try to motivate people. I try to motivate people to become the best version of themselves. So and like I say, I respect everybody's opinion. You guys are welcome to bring your opinion, bring your comments, and then at the end of the day, I just want everybody to become the best version, because I was there and I see my old self in those people. I am the fasting beast.